In the new age of fleet telematics, integrations for fleet maintenance are becoming more and more important. Integrations help companies increase vehicle lifespan by 7 times more miles, as integrations enable condition-based maintenance. Integrations also help companies reduce manual labor costs by 25%, as integrations eliminate the time spent manually entering data. But these integrations often come with a hefty price for implementation. That's why UpKeep and Azuga has partnered up to deliver no-cost in-app integrations so that you can get the best of both GPS fleet tracking from Azuga and maintenance management from UpKeep. With our integration, locations from Azuga devices are synced with locations in UpKeep so that you can keep track of where your assets are and assign work orders to the right team. Odometer readings from Azuga devices are synced with meters in UpKeep so that you can trigger mileage-based work orders. And lastly, DTC alerts from Azuga devices can automatically trigger work orders in UpKeep. Automate your fleet maintenance and start saving with Azuga and UpKeep. Schedule a demo with us on our websites or check out the video description below to learn more.